Oh, hey, what's up, everybody? Byron and Candace here at 𝐵𝐷iamondleather. This is our first video. We're really trying to launch our YouTube, so why don't you come along with us and see what we're going to do today. Have a rad day and follow us.
Did you not read the sign above the saloon doors?
Oh, dang. Hired hands only.
They're kind of sketchy.
All right, we're making a front pocket wallet today. We want you to come along with us. And then we're going to take it over and get it punched out. All right, so we got done with the laser. Now we're going to take it into Candace and have her line it.
All right, let's do this.
So the first tool she's using, guys, this is a liner. It's going to do our stitch line that we need all the way around. Diamond leather. All right.
All right.
What are we doing?
We are going to be dyeing the leather or staining it if you prefer. So I am using the 𝐒𝐥𝐿 medium brown. This is an antique that typically you put on top of other colors. I prefer this color today. It's going to be a little bit more of a rustic brown.
And what are you using to applicate it with?
I'm actually using a piece of wool that we use for
It's our wool for our saddles, the barks.
yes. Now we need it to dry.
All right, once we get it all dyed, we then glue it. That way, when we're going to stitch it, the stitch won't move on us. And we just do a little bit down the edge. Some of the other things that you can look forward to seeing on one of our next videos is I'm designing these holders for these paperweights for Mac's Place down in Salt Lake City. So this is the prototype. I'm going to modify it a little bit from there, and this will hold the paperweights for them. They have a lot of papers to hold down. Now we're going to glue this together. We want to make sure that these edges line up the best we can. Our Cowboy 4500. This is actually the big boy in the leather, industrial leather world. So here we go. Let's get this all stitched up. Grab some scissors. Just trim some of these up really quick. And we use a 277 poly. And so when we're done, we just kind of heat up the little pieces that are left. Okay, we're using this beveler. I think this one is the Tandy. So now what I do when I burnish, I just have a little sponge and a little bit of water. I just wring it out and I just wipe it on it. And then I have this wood beveler and I'm just gonna start working it side to side. Hopefully you guys can see it from the video, but that is as smooth as a baby's butt.
Hi. Okay, so here is our finished product. This is our front pocket wallet, also known as our minimalist wallet. You can see that it fits tons of cards, lots of money. It's a retention fit, so you're not gonna lose stuff. It's for men or women. I use this in my bags. Throw it in my gym bag when I'm switching out a purse, anything like that. You can find these products along with other products that we've made that have different designs on our website at bdiamondleather.com. Also, you can check us out on Instagram under bdiamondleather. You can message us in any forum if you'd like to contact us for to purchase any of these. Also, please stick around because we're going to show you a lot more on rad products. So today's actually
It's our day off.
It's a day off.
It's our day off, but we wanted to make a video for you guys, all 11 of you.
Thanks to our 11 supporters.
Really get the word out there.
8 of them, that's me. I didn't want to say anything, but I've opened multiple accounts just to follow us.
The tiny hands thing is kind of funny.
So we're just cruising right now. You get a feel of our main drag. We spend a lot of time here with our cars. We have, it's kind of a small town feel in a big city. I wouldn't say we have a ton of people, but we have tons of friends, lots of entrepreneurs. We're supporting one another, the cars, the businesses. O-Town is amazing. Just like I said, it's an art city.
What's your name, my man?
I write Jaro.
Jaro?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
How long have you been doing graffiti?
I don't know, maybe like 25 years, 30 years, something like that. Since
Nice.
I was like 14, 15.
Yeah. You ever been to jail for doing graffiti?
No comment.
I'll be honest, I have been at 18. My 18th birthday night, I went to jail for doing graffiti in Salt Lake.
He was.
We know the owners of Smash It, and they gave us this wall to just do whatever we wanted. So
I love it.
we come and paint here. People come up from Salt Lake. People come from out of town.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Yeah.
Ogden at its finest.
All right.
Awesome, man. Where can everybody look you up?
I'm on Instagram, Jaro1, Jaroh1, and yeah.
We should get our bear skin rug and put in here once in a while. There it is. Little more knee. Little more knee. There it is. Attaboy.
All right.
That's how we always sit.
This is normal for us.
Totally casual.
Yep. It's what we're doing. Let's talk a little bit about our shop, B Diamond Leather. So we've been in business for 13 years now, and it kind of actually started out off of me building a custom motorcycle that I only had a couple $1,000 in, and I wanted a custom leather seat. So I searched around, and the people that were doing the custom leather work were either people that were like on TV, on like the chopper shows or the chopper magazines, and they wanted just an arm and a leg for a custom seat. So I went out and I got a basic starter leather kit and started making things, and it's turned into a full-time job for Candace and I, and that's all we do for a living. We have our brick and mortar, and we have our website, we have our social medias. You can find us on Instagram and Facebook, bdiamondleather.com, and now YouTube. We're going to try to do a video a week of just different things that we're doing in life, whether it's our cars or different projects we're doing down at the shop. Hopefully you liked the project we did in this video. If you did, you can actually go over to our website and go buy it. You can actually buy that project that we are making or one like it. We are also thinking about making kits of this project as well. So let us know in the comments below what you think. What do you think? What else should we talk about?
Well, I'd just like to talk about how hard it was to take you serious in the sexy pose, but
why? This is just what this is my everyday pose. When you come into the shop, this is exactly how you'll see me sitting
on the counter. This is how we greet our customers.
I'm like, howdy, how can I help you?
He was really invested. I'm impressed. Other than that, no, we just don't live a conventional life. We're pretty immature. We think we're funny. We're impulsive. We have a lot of cool toys. We have a rad job. We actually never leave each other's side, which sounds extremely toxic and codependent, but
it is. It's toxic and codependent.
That's why he sits like this. I demand it.
But we do a lot of different things. So, and that's the hard part about this YouTube channel. We want to be able to have like a platform of, oh, you know, you can come here for certain things. Well, really, you can come here for just debauchery. Is that even a word? I don't even know.
Probably.
I don't even know if that's a word. Yeah, shenanigans, all kinds of things. Because we do everything from low riders to hot rods to choppers to vans to leather work to you name it, we do it. And so we're trying to condense it all into one thing. And people might not like us for that. People might love us for that. But it's our life. It's what we do, and we want to show the world what we do. So what we do need, this is the call to action. When I was asking other YouTubers, hey, what do I need to do? They said, make sure you do a call to action. Oh. So my call to action is to like this video, subscribe, but if you could share it and tell people to subscribe for us, that would be rad. We totally appreciate it. We do love the stuff we do, and we want to take you guys along for the ride. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Anything else?
Everything's always under some kind of project point. Our van was completely dialed in for show season. You're going to watch us work on it and then unveil it next year.
So you're saying our life is under construction? Is that what you're saying?
We're works in progress all the time.
Speak for yourself.
So you'll get to see us just live at the... We're gonna just
Just understand this, making a YouTube video is not easy. This isn't easy. This is hard. Trying to have a personality. I mean, this is us in general, but trying to project that to a camera, and you're talking to a camera, you feel silly. But with all the people that have said that we needed to make a YouTube channel, here we are making a YouTube channel. And it probably sucks. This video we also live. Is it gone yet?
That was on cue. We actually planned that when he said this video sucks. We called the F-35.
We also live. Oh my gosh, then a vehicle drives by.
We're gonna have sirens in the vehicle.
We also live a couple of miles away from an Air Force base where they fly the F-35s. So you're gonna, in some of our videos, videos will be interrupted by F-35s flying. We have an apprentice down at the shop. You guys will eventually see him on the YouTuber, and he's actually active military and is over something with the F-35s. But he can get more into that when we actually get him on the channel, if he wants to be. I mean, I don't know, he could be a career criminal for all we know, and he's hiding out in Ogden.
But he's good at leather.
But he's good at leather, so here we are.
We're always looking for apprentices.
Yep. And a fart tube just went by. I want to sign off. I think this is all we're going to do for this first video. Once again, make sure you like and subscribe and tell people about our channel. We'd really appreciate it. And from us at bdiamondleather, have a rad day.